middle of transformation.
Nagtipon-tipon ng iba't ibang kinatawan ng mga LGU, business sector at national government agencies para sa kauna-unahang Ease of Doing Business Summit na pinangunahan ng Anti-Red Tape Authority. Napili ang lungsod dahil sa dami ng mga negosyo at ahensya ng gobyerno sa Cebu.
This is the first time that ARTA is doing this, yung Ease of Doing Business Summit. Not in Metro Manila but in Cebu. Para po maipakita naman natin sa taong bayan na hindi lang yung focus natin Metro Manila but outside Metro, we can do it. Kaya ang theme natin is Philippines for Better Business Enabling Environment.
Sa mandato ng Republic Act 11032 o mas kilala sa EODB Law, kailangang pangasiwaan ng organisasyon ng polisiya sa anti-red tape at pagbutihin ang business environment sa bansa. Isa sa mga ikinakampanya ng ARTA ang Electronic Business One-Stop Shop upang mas mapabilis ang proseso ng pagbubukas at pag-renew ng mga business permit.
Pinupost talaga natin yung compliance by LGU tungkol dun sa pag-set up at pag-operationalize ng Electronic Business One-Stop Shop para po yung pag-apply ka ng business permit, dapat makuha mo lang maximum of 1 day. But in fact, sa mga LGUs na nakapag-set up na, para po makuha ang business permit, only requires 30 minutes. For renewal, 20 minutes. And in Metro Manila, walo lang po. And outside Metro Manila, the first city to do it is the city of Lapu-Lapu.
Isang memorandum of understanding naman ang nilagdaan ng ARTA at Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industries upang palawigin at mapalakas ang public-private partnerships.
And then you don't have to be a member of the Cebu Chamber to come to us to ask for help when it comes to itong problems regarding red tape, so that if there are issues in the business community with regards to red tape, business people can come to the Cebu Chamber and we can help them facilitate their complaint so that ARTA can look into this delays in the processing of their permits.
Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza, para sa Bayan.